Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set TikTok to open up in muted mode. So if you don't want TikTok audio to automatically play when you open up the app on Android or iOS devices, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok app and select the profile button in the bottom right, and then you want to select the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, go down and select Playback. So if it says Open TikTok on mute, videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device's volume controls. So if you want to have TikTok automatically open on muted mode, just click inside the oval one time to enable this feature, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.